Dear learners, today we will start the first chapter of history, that is an introduction to history. Before starting this chapter, we have many questions in our mind that are: who am I? How does the society or the world work? To understand all these complex issues, we first need to know about how our society has evolved, how people lived in the past, what they ate, what kind of clothes they wore, and how our past has shaped the present. But how do we know about our past? By studying history, we can easily understand how the modern world has come into existence over long centuries of development. Students, let's begin the chapter. First of all, let me tell you what is history. The word history is derived from the Greek word historia, which means know this. In simple terms, history is a study of the past. That is, it is a story of the people who lived in the past. In fact, history is a record of people, places, and events of the past arranged in a chronological order. It tells us the story of our ancestors, their lifestyles, occupations, customs, languages, and cultures, religious beliefs, social and political systems, as well as their problems, aspirations, and achievements. It is a systematic account of the origin and progress of the world. Next topic is why history is important, or the importance of history. The study of history is important in so many ways. First, in order to understand the world around us, we have to know about our past. 2. It helps us to understand our present. 3. It enables us to carry out a systematical study of past events on the basis of available material. 4. It helps us to trace the life story of people from the earliest ages to the present age. And last one is, it helps us to understand people whose lives were different. Students, this is all about the topic. I hope you have understood the topic. Have a happy day.